There is a switch inside your YouTube studio that, by default, is set to lose you money. There is another one that is actively hiding your videos from the people who want to see them most. And there is a third one that gives YouTube legal permission to clone your voice. Most creators start a channel, upload a video, and never touch the back-end settings. They think the algorithm does all the work. They are wrong. In 2026, YouTube quietly added default permissions that you likely agreed to without reading. If you haven't unchecked these boxes, you are feeding your data to competitors and limiting your own reach. Hi friends, welcome back to Rishni Tech, the place where we decode the technology and data behind content creation. I'm your host, and today we are going deep into the back end of your channel. I am going to walk you through the 5 critical settings you need to change right now to protect your content. Increase your CPM and unlock the full potential of the 2026 algorithm. Open your laptop, sign in to YouTube Studio, and let's get to work. The first setting is the most controversial update of the year, and arguably the most dangerous for your personal brand. It is about how YouTube uses your voice and your face to train their artificial intelligence models. Go to the bottom left corner, click Settings, then click on the Channel tab and open Advanced Settings. Now, I want you to scroll all the way down. You are looking for a small, innocent-looking checkbox that says, Allow content to be used for generative AI training analysis. By default, on many new accounts, this is checked. What does this actually mean? It means you are giving YouTube permission to take your scripts, analyze your unique voice patterns, scan your editing style, and feed all that data into their generative tools. When other creators use YouTube's Dream Screen or AI voice dubbing tools, the AI needs to learn from somewhere. If this box is checked, it is learning from you. You are essentially training the AI that will eventually compete with you. Unless you want your unique style to become a generic template for everyone else, uncheck this box immediately. Protect your intellectual property. Now, while you are still in this tab, look slightly up. Do you see the setting for automatic chapters? This used to be a good feature. But in 2026, the AI has become lazy. It often creates chapters that spoil the video or cut off mid. It ruins the flow of your story. I recommend turning automatic chapters off. You want to control the SEO keywords in your chapters manually? Don't let a bot decide what your video is about. You know your content better than the code does. Let's move to the third tab down. Upload default. This isn't just a time saver, it is a legal safety net and a quality control filter. How many times have you uploaded a video and realized 2 hours later that you forgot to add your affiliate disclaimer? Or you forgot your social media links? Or you forgot to link to your other playlists? In the description box here, I want you to paste your master template. This should include 3 things: your FTC affiliate disclaimer, links to your best playlists, and your standard 3-sentence channel. But the real trick here is the visibility setting. Look at the drop-down menu. Never, ever set the default to public. Always set the defaults to unlisted or private. Here is why. When you upload a 4K video, YouTube takes time to process it. First, it processes the low-quality 360p version, then 108p, and finally, 4K. This can take hours. If you publish immediately, your most loyal subscribers, the ones who click in the first 10 minutes, will see a blurry, low-quality video. They will click away, destroying your retention rate before the video even has a chance. By setting this to unlisted, you ensure that even if you click save by mistake, the video doesn't go live until you confirm the 4K processing is complete. This protects your quality standards. This next setting is a mistake that 90% of small channels make, and it confuses the algorithm deeply. Look at the category setting! Most of you have this set to people and blogs. That is the default setting. It is also the junk drawer of YouTube. If you are a tech channel, or a gaming channel, or an education channel, and you sit in people and blogs, you are making the algorithm guess who your audience is. The algorithm tries to find viewers based on history. The people in blogs audience is too broad. It includes everything from daily vlogs to political rants to cooking. You need to be specific. If you are doing tutorials like this one, switch this to education or science and technology. If you are doing finance, switch it to education. If you are doing gaming, obviously use gaming. This tells YouTube exactly who to test your video with first. It narrows the pool. You want a small, interested pool of viewers? Not a massive, uninterested ocean. Change this to match your actual niche today. Now, let's talk about money. Specifically, CPM cost per mil. This is how much advertisers pay per 1,000 views on your channel. Many creators think they should block sensitive categories to keep their channels safe. They go into their AdSense or YouTube ad settings and block categories like gambling, dating, or politics. They think this makes them advertiser friendly. This is a mistake. Unless you are a channel specifically made for children, do not overblock ad categories. The highest paying ads often come from competitive industries, finance apps, software companies, and yes, sometimes dating apps or mobile games. These companies have huge budgets. YouTube runs an auction for every ad slot on your video. By blocking categories, you are kicking the highest bidders out of the room. You are telling YouTube, I don't want the expensive ads. Give me the cheap ones. YouTube's safety filters are already strong. Allow the auction to work. By manually blocking categories, you are lowering your own salary. Leave the default ad categories open to maximize your revenue. Finally, setting number 5. We need to fix your channel keywords. Please listen carefully. This is not the same as video tags. Video tags are dead. They don't matter, but channel keywords are alive and well. This box tells YouTube what your entire channel is about. If you started your channel 3 years ago, you probably have keywords in here that you don't even use anymore. You need to update this for 2026. Delete any keywords for topics you no longer cover. Add your specific niche. Don't just put tech, put Android app development or budget PC builds. Add your own channel name. Yes, put Rishni, tech, or whatever your name is as a keyword. This helps you rank when people misspell your name in search. Think of this as your channel's resume to the algorithm. Keep it current. If you pivoted your content recently but didn't update this, the algorithm is still looking for your old audience. Once you have changed these 5 settings, do not forget the most important step. Click save in the bottom right corner. If you close the window, everything reverts back and you lost 15 minutes of work. These settings lay the foundation. But remember, a foundation is useless if you don't know how to build the house, which is your content strategy. Now that your studio is optimized, you need to optimize your upload schedule. I actually broke down the morning versus evening upload strategy in this video right here. It explains why uploading at the wrong time can kill a perfectly optimized video. Click right here to watch that. If you found value in this, hit that like button and subscribe to Rishni Tech for more tips on mastering the digital world. Click that video and I'll see you in there.